Hello and welcome to Module 13. Today we are going to learn how to use conditional formatting to highlight data which match one or more of the specified criteria. And for that we are going to use the grade sheet of class 6H. Let me quickly explain the options which are available in conditional formatting. First of all, the conditional formatting is available under the Home tab of main menu and it is over here. If you click on the button to drop down options, here are the various quick access options. First one is highlight cell if the value is greater than, less than, between. So first three options or the fourth one, these can be used for numbers. The equal to option can also be used for text, and the second option for text is text that contains. The next option is for date comparison, and then we can highlight values which are duplicate. Next is top to bottom rules. For example, you want to find out top 10 or top 5 items which are there in a particular range, then you can use this. Next is top 10 percentage. This is basically if let's say there are 25 items listed in a particular range, then 10% would mean 2.5, and it wouldn't give you 2.5, but it will highlight the top 2 items in that particular range. Similarly, bottom 10 items and bottom 10 percentage, above average and below average. All of these will be used purely for numbers. I'm not so much of a fan of data bars and color scales because it's basically paints your entire Excel sheet with colors. It becomes confusing at times, but you can try out these options. Last one is the icon set. These can be used very well in certain cases. We will try and use one or two of these in this particular example of grade sheet. These are the quick access buttons or icons. The new rule option, when you click on that, it will give you exposure to everything that is possible in conditional formatting.